Chances are every day you hear someone say, I have a headache. Perhaps you have headaches on a frequent or infrequent basis. Well, you can learn about headaches and what causes them, what we can do about them a little later this month. This afternoon, we're joined by chiropractor Dr. Laron Hardy. Welcome.
Thank you.
And I don't get headaches that often, but just about every day, I'm sure I hear somebody in our newsroom say, oh man, I have a headache, my head hurts. This is fairly common.
It's very common. Headaches are probably, well, not probably, they are the most common ailment in the United States. More people see doctors for headaches than any other ailment. And there are three main types of headaches: tension, migraine, and cluster headaches.
Now, tension, I guess, you know, if you're working, you're stressed, that kind of thing.
Right.
I've heard people who say they have the migraines, which are, is that the most severe form?
Actually, cluster headaches can be the most severe, although migraines are very close to cluster headaches. Migraines can stop you in your tracks and make you go to bed.
Right.
Cluster headaches can be very severe, but they come on several in a row or several in a day, maybe several days in a row, and then they'll go away. But less than 1% of the population has cluster headaches. About 30 million people in the U.S. suffer from migraine headaches.
Wow.
So, and 2/3 of those are women.
Yes, I've heard, I know several people who have migraines. So, you know, a lot of people, they get just the tension headache maybe. They'll pop a couple of pills and think that's it. But there are other things we can do. There's
other things we can do. The best approach for any ailment is the most conservative to the most radical type of treatment. Chiropractic is very conservative, and that's what I want to talk to the people at our community event about, is how chiropractic can help headaches. And a lot of times it can help it really fast and really be a complete correction for headaches. And a lot of people aren't aware that chiropractic can help headaches.
I was going to say, because you think of, you know, I hear the word chiropractor, I think of my back or my neck or something, but you're saying even with the headache, it's something that one can consider.
Most headaches are what's called cervicogenic, which means they originate in the cervical spine. The cervical spine is our neck, and it's made up of 7 cervical vertebrae.
Okay.
When those vertebrae are misaligned or not moving properly, it can cause a problem with the blood vessels, the nerves that go into the head, and can actually result in a headache.
Who knew?
So, yeah.
If you want to find out more about this, you can attend. This is a free community event. Now, it happens on June 17th. I think that's a Thursday. Is that right? A Thursday night. It's going to be at 7 o'clock in the auditorium at Decatur Utilities, of course. This is in Decatur. And the best part, it is free. Dr. Hardy's going to be talking a lot more about headaches and what people can do, the different types of treatment, like using chiropractic. And who knew?
That's right. Most people don't.
I didn't. Thank you so much for stopping by.
You.
Again, that happens on Thursday, June 17th in Decatur, and it's free. You're watching WHNT News 19 at noon. Coming up, we'll have your health checkup, and we'll check in with Mr. Food.